Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amore.
This is totally wrong. Today we talk about pasta sauce that you can buy from the store. They are so practical and convenient for people without much time. But can pasta sauce really be used to make an Italian dish that tastes like a homemade one?
If you use store-bought pasta sauce for your pasta dishes because you do not have the time to prepare sofrito, simmer the tomato sauce for a few hours, and so on, we fully understand you. But if you do not want compromised quality to save time and still look like you can cook Italian food like a boss with your friends, just follow these simple tips. It starts choosing the right sauce. The store shelves are packed with a wide variety of brands and flavors. Of course, you need to rely on Italian brands and beware of local non-Italian brands with catchy Italian names. Ciao, Leggo, Prego. They might be cheap, but then the flavor would be something else than Italian. Instead, you can buy Barilla, Granoro, Agnesi, Cirio, and other brands which are made in Italy because they please the demanding taste of Italians who might not have the time and patience to prepare their own homemade sauces, but for sure, they can tell a good store-bought sauce from a bad one. Another thing to consider is the ingredients. Also for pasta sauces, the old saying that goes, the simpler the better, is valid. But unavoidably, additives and preservatives are added in any sauce that needs to last for months on the shelves and days in the fridge. So most labels will have a very long list of ingredients. Well, now we have the right store-bought pasta sauce. The next steps is using it appropriately. You cannot just throw it cold on some sticky pasta. While the pasta is cooking, we let the sauce simmer in a frying pan. This has to be large enough to accommodate the pasta for the final preparation steps. Cook the pasta. Do not break spaghetti or long shapes. Just gently push them in the pot. Of course, you do not add any oil in the water. While waiting for the pasta, don't forget to stir the sauce a bit to avoid it sticks on the pan. We reserve a bit of sauce on a small bowl to put it on top of the dish when it's ready. Drain the pasta a couple of minutes before it reaches the al dente point. Use a strainer to directly transfer the pasta from the pot into the frying pan where your sauce is. Or instead, you could use a colander to drain it, but before doing so, keep some starch-rich water on the side to continue cooking the pasta. Mix the pasta and the sauce, adding a bit of the pasta water until the pasta is just al dente. This way of finalizing the cooking allows the sauce to really cling on the pasta thanks to the starch. You are almost done. A few more simple steps. Add freshly grated Parmigiano for a mild flavor, or Pecorino for a more salty flavor. But here, pay attention. You must not add it in fish-based dishes. Add some extra virgin olive oil, which can suit most recipes to boost the flavor. And add a few fresh basil leaves. They match perfectly with the tomato-based pasta sauce. And now, it's time to top the dish with the sauce we saved earlier. Finally, mind the presentation because also the eye wants its part. Adding a few fresh herbs can make look and taste better, even a dish with an average taste. Last but not least, the same store-bought sauce can taste much better if you choose a special pasta shape or egg pasta instead of the usual spaghetti.
Which one looks better? Which one tastes better? Let's see. Oh my God. Good. Like Italian. If you like this video, give me a like. If you want to become a really Italian chef, subscribe and push the bell for receive all my notifications. Ciao!